Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add the birthday in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, we'll do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, you will be redirected to this page. From here, all you guys need to do is click on the very first button that you are seeing right here, that is profile. Click on it, and that is it guys. From here, almost at the bottom, you can see something called as birthday. Click on it. Now what you guys can do is simply add your birthday. I'm gonna add it right now. Well, as you guys can see, I have selected the date. Now it's okay with me, and as such, I'm simply gonna click on OK. And guys, that is it. That's how we add your birthday in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.